Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals -5 and y equals -4, with radius 23.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals -5, y equals -4.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x plus 5, and y plus 4.
The radius is 23, so the right side is 23 squared, which is 529. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 23 equals 46. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 23 equals 46 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 23 squared equals 529 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.